Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this week's video, I'll be showing you how to create this makeup look, which was inspired by Taylor Swift's Willow music video. So I'm absolutely in love with her new album Evermore, and I just wanted to make something inspired by it, so here we are. Really quickly before we get started though, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That would be super awesome and I'd be really grateful. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is apply whatever primer, foundation, and concealer that you'd like. For this look, I'll be using my ColourPop Bare Necessities palette, which is amazing by the way, so if you're in the market for like a nude natural palette, definitely check this one out. But anyway, moving on, the first thing you're going to do is apply the shade On Holiday all over your lid. This is just going to give you a nice base to work off of as we continue on. Now I'm going to take the shade Hot Gossip and apply that in my crease to create some depth and definition. To make sure everything remains really soft and blended looking, I'm just going to take a little bit of the shade On Holiday and put that in my crease as well. Next, to get that really lifted and elongated look that Taylor has in the video, I'm going to take the shade Hot Gossip and really focus that on the outer V portion of my eyes, making sure it's angled a little bit upwards. To brighten things up, I'm going to take the shade Silk Teddy and apply that on my lids and like inner portion of like my eyes. And then to make sure everything is still really soft looking, I'm going to take a little bit of the shade On Holiday and blend everything out. To add some warmth to the look, I'm going to take the shade All For You and apply a little bit to the crease and outer V area of my eyes. So in the Willow music video, Taylor has a very glittery and shimmery inner corner. So to recreate that, I'm going to take a combination of the shades Idle Hour and Silk Teddy and put that in my inner corners. And yeah, now we can move on to eyeliner. The one I'll be using is this L'Oreal Infallible Eyeliner in this matte brown color. And I'm going to create a really small and delicate wing, tapering from like the middle portion of my lids outwards. Now, to really soften and smoke that out, I'm going to take the shade Velveteen and apply that over where I applied the eyeliner. And then I'm going to take the shade Taboo and apply that over where I applied Velveteen. For mascara, I'll be using Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, and this stuff does a great job of making my lashes look like not sparse and sad. I'm also going to pop on some accent lashes off camera to further like lift and elongate my eyes. To fill in my eyebrows, I'll be using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Not doing anything too fancy here, just filling in any sparse areas and adding some definition to the arch and tail. To set all of my base makeup, I'll be using CoverGirl's Clean Press Powder, and I absolutely love this stuff. I think this is pretty much the only powder I've ever used. It does a great job of keeping me matte looking all day. Next, to add some warmth and color, I'm going to take my Physicians Formula bronzer and do some light contouring. For blush, I'll be using this Clinique Cream Blush in the shade Amped Up Apple, and I'm going to be applying this in an upward angle to create a really lifted and contoured look. For lips, I'll be using this Rimmel Lip Pencil in the shade Red Diva and this Sephora Matte Liquid Lip in the shade 1. I absolutely love this lip combo. I think it's so pretty, and this matte lipstick is surprisingly comfortable. And yeah, here's the finished look! I hope you guys like it. I really like how this one turned out. I think it's super pretty. I'm really taking the soft eyes and bold lip combo. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!